Hello friends and welcome back to another video, and today I want to talk to you about 10 things you have to eat when you visit Brazil. Those are really good, tasty things you need to eat. So, first one is churrasco. Pay attention to this word, churrasco. The popularity of Brazilian barbecue, which is our churrasco, right, has to lead to the founding of hundreds of restaurants popping up all over the world. On the menu, you usually find prime rib, linguiça, a Portuguese-style sausage, lamb kebabs, chicken legs, fish, and a whole host of other dishes. All meats are cooked on a long skewer placed on racks over the fire with fattier items placed on top so that the juice will drip down and flavor the other cuts. When the meats are cooked, waiters carry the skewers around table to table, carving off pieces into your plate. Well, that's our barbecue. But we are now using a lot of grills to make our barbecues, so it's very common nowadays for you to find in Brazil barbecue like being cooked like you see in the States, for example. Now, next one is Brigadeiru, which is one that I know how to make very well, and it's very delicious, the one I make. Brigadeiru is like chocolate truffles made with condensed milk and powdered chocolate, covered with chocolate sprinkles. They are delicious. You have to eat it because I'm telling you, it's like one of the most delicious things you can ever eat in your entire life. Next one is coxinha de galinha, or just coxinha. That would be sort of like little thigh. That's the literal translation. Coxinha is basically fried, shattered chicken wrapped up in dough. Next one, pão de queijo. Those are little puffs. They are crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and filled with a cheesy flavor. It's not like cheese inside, but it's cheesy. There's like cheese in bread. We call this, literally translating, they're called cheese bread, right? But basically they're like little balls of bread that tastes like cheese. You have to eat it so you'll understand how delicious they are. Next one is a drink that's called Guarana. The Guarana fruit is used to make this tasty soft drink, and it comes from the tropical forests of the Amazon. Yeah, I had to research some of that stuff because all I know is how to drink it, and it's really good, and it comes in a can or in a little bottle, but you have to try it. Well, something that I found similar to it in the United States is ginger ale, but it's not ginger ale. It's the color is similar, taste somewhat, but it's really good. So it's also like some people say it's an energy drink, but I don't think so. It's just a soda. It's really good. It's a different kind of soda. Next one, feijoada. So feijoada is one of the Brazilian main dishes. You can find it in most restaurants you go, and usually some places in Brazil, they offer it on Wednesdays, other on Saturdays. But if you go and you have it, basically, feijoada is like bean soup with a lot of meat inside, and it's really good. It's heavy though. Do not eat that and something else. You know, if you try feijoada, just go for the feijoada because it's really heavy and you might find yourself with a stomachache if you eat too much. But it's really, really good. It's worth it trying. So, next one is a sweet called Jing. Well, pay attention to the pronunciation. Jing. It's yellow, round. It looks like a little pudding, but it's just yellow and small. It's made out of eggs, and it's got coconut on it. It's just delicious. You need to try it. Really good eating that after lunch with a nice Brazilian coffee. Black coffee, no sugar, please, because you already have a lot of sugar in the sweet in the Jing. Next one is caipirinha cocktail. That's one of the best things you can have if you want to get drunk or just to, enjoy some real Brazilian cocktail. So the basic caipirinha recipe is straightforward and requires just 3 ingredients. Cachaça, which is sort of like a vodka from here. It's made out of sugar cane and is really good, and you should try it. There are so many types of cachaça. You can try many different ones, and it's really good. So, cachaça, lime, and sugar. That's what it is. Some people put honey on it. Some people make caipirinhas out of different fruit, maybe strawberry and stuff like that. They're all good. But try the lime one because that's the original one. Next one, pastel. Pastel or pastéis are served as large rectangular pastries or half-moon shaped pastries. They are really good. They come with all sorts of fillings, like including ground meat, egg, cheese, or you can have also chocolate and stuff like that. But the original pastel is just ground meat and eggs and, of course, some spices and stuff like that. They're really, really good. And also another one that is very common is just a cheese pastel, which is really, really good. Mostly when you're on the beach, just enjoying, having a beer, eating pastel is really, really good. It's like a small calzone. So you have an idea what it is. Now the next one is Romeo and Juliet. Romeo and Juliet. Romeo y Julieta, which is guava plus cheese. It's really good. And they make pizza with Romeo y Julieta. They make pastéis or pastel with Romeo y Julieta. Oops. And they also just serve the guava and cheese for you if you want to eat it. Not all places have it, but it's really good. It's worth trying. So my friends, I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you have a chance to eat it as well. Well, all these things are already in Brazilians brought it to different countries. So if you live near a Brazilian community, just go and ask for those things, and they probably have it there, and they will serve you, and you will love it. It's really good. All right. I hope you enjoyed this content, and let me know in the comments down below if you knew already some of these foods or if you didn't know. And as usual, I'll see you in my next class. Bye-bye.